Greetings everyone, I am Sarvaga Jagatram, and for today's AI video, we would be exploring the need and policies required for the organization I mentioned in the last video. This is part 2 of the same. I would be representing the delegate of Kuwait for this video. Now, nuclear weapons were ahead of their time, like AI is for us, but only treaties were formed to limit them, such as the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons and Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons. And it's important to note, some major carriers of nuclear weapons did not even sign the treaties, causing a significant security risk. Now, AI is even more advanced and has the need to have laws to avoid any disaster or mass killings during a war. It's more developed and more dangerous for all of us, causing the requirement for the organization I would like to speak for today. Now, this organization would be directly under the UN Secretariat or can be under the branch of the UNSC, and would be focused on the limitation of AI weaponization specifically, since it's more developed and there is a need for it. Some minimums this organization would be including outlaw fully autonomous weapons, limit the development of certain functions such as auto-target identification and attack. And lastly, AI weapons need to always have the final say of a human. Human intervention is the most important thing since AI cannot determine the value of a life. As I mentioned in the previous videos in the specific playlist as well, it's important to set this. So guys, now we need to explore the separate policies and other details of this organization. AI technology is rapidly evolving, making it difficult for international regulation and treaties to keep pace. Now, the policies of this organization would include the following 4 points. Treaty negotiations. Lead negotiations for a new international treaty specifically prohibiting or regulating autonomous weapon systems, also known as laws as I mentioned, with a focus on AI-powered weapons. Expanding existential frameworks. Advocate for amending existing frameworks like the Convention on Certain Conventional Weapons, short form is CCW, to include protocols as already spoken by the delegate prior. Now, information sharing on relevant AI advancements is a need so that the whole world is on the same level and is progressing together, instead of one country having the more advantage and one having the lower advantage. Develop and implement international protocols for verification and monitoring of AI development programs. Further improving the checklist we need to follow to have a safe world. Threat assessment and early warning. Establish a system for ongoing threat assessment and early warning regarding potential AI weaponization biosecurity risks. Now, these are the policy and mentions which needs to be there for this organization specifically to follow the target of the agenda we had and to have a more safer and beautiful world. That's all for today's video and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and somewhere here you can see more video which you can watch and YouTube things you may like. Thank you and see you in the next one. Bye.